Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
A to Z Guide of Home Remedies Proven to Work. Part 2. It can be hard to separate the tried from the true, but our expert-approved guide to home remedies that really work has got you covered. One home remedy that really works for infected nails. Your fingernails can reveal important health clues such as bacterial or fungal infections that occur where nail and skin meet. If you have the telltale signs of a bacterial or fungal infection, toenails that are thick, crumbling, and yellow, try soaking in white vinegar, a proven antifungal. The white vinegar soak should be half vinegar and half water, says Dr. Friedman. Soak the affected finger or toe 3 or 4 times a day for 15 to 20 minutes until it clears up. 2 Home remedy that really works for leg cramps. Leg cramps are a sign that you may be deficient in magnesium. Magnesium deficiency happens to be one of the most common culprits of muscle cramping, says Carolyn Dean, ND, MD, a naturopathic physician in Maui, Hawaii, a medical advisory board member of the Nutritional Magnesium Association, and author of many books including The Miracle of Magnesium. Magnesium encourages relaxation within the body, including stress and muscle tension. Not all forms of magnesium are easily absorbed by the body, however, she says. Magnesium citrate powder is a highly absorbable form that is fast-acting and can be mixed with hot or cold water and sipped at work or at home immediately in the event of muscle cramping and throughout the day. 3 Home remedy that really works for menstrual cramps. Got chamomile tea? Get brewing. Cold packs or heating pads on the lower abdomen or back can help relieve cramps, as can soaking a washcloth in warm water and chamomile tea and placing it on the same areas, says Jill Rabin, MD, CO Chief of the Division of Ambulatory Care, at the Women's Health Program's PCAP Services, of Northwell Health in New Hyde Park, New York. If cramps are severe, see a doctor to make sure that you are doing all you can. 4 Home remedies that really work for nausea. Hands down, the best home remedies for nausea are ginger and peppermint. Even just smelling them can curb nausea or prevent it from occurring in the first place, Dr. Rabin says. If nausea is severe and you can't keep food down, it's time to check in with your doctor, she adds. 5 Home remedy that really works for sunburns. Prevention with judicious use of broad-spectrum sunscreen that has a sun protection factor of 30 or higher is key, but for sunburns I recommend cool compresses, lots of moisturizer to damp skin, and cold black tea bags because caffeine is anti-inflammatory and a vasoconstrictor, which will help with redness, Dr. Friedman says. 6 Home remedies that really works for tooth and gum pain. Warm salt water rinses can often help sore or swollen gums feel better due an antimicrobial effect, shares Saul Pressner, DMD, a dentist in New York City. And there's a natural remedy for tooth pain. Oil of cloves can sometimes soothe an inflamed tooth. But, he cautions, it is very important to see your dentist when these symptoms occur. 7 Home remedy that really works for urinary tract infections. Of all the home remedies for UTI, urinary tract infections, cranberry capsules win. Researchers from Texas A&M Health Science Center College of Medicine in Houston studied 160 people aged 23 to 88, who were undergoing elective gynecological surgery. Normally, 10 to 64% of such women will develop a UTI, following the removal of the catheter. In the study, half of the women received 2 cranberry juice capsules, to be taken twice daily, the equivalent in strength to 2 8-ounce servings, of cranberry juice for 6 weeks after surgery. The others took a placebo or dummy pill. Women who took cranberry capsules were half as likely to develop a UTI as their counterparts, who received a placebo. Why? Cranberries contain A-type proanthocyanidins, which may interfere with the bacteria's ability to breach the bladder wall, reducing the likelihood of infection, Rabin explains. 8 Home remedy that really works for warts. Add wart removal to the list of genius first aid uses for duct tape. Stick a piece of duct tape on the wart and then change it, every few days to peel away layers of the wart, the American Academy of Dermatology suggests. A study out of Children's Hospital Medical Center in Cincinnati, Ohio, found that duct tape is more effective than applying liquid nitrogen to freeze the wart 85% versus 60%, respectively. 9 home remedies that really work for zits. Skip the toothpaste, witch hazel, tea tree oil, lemon, honey, and aloe vera, as these will likely do more harm than good to your complexion, says Dr. Friedman. Instead, cover the pimple with a Band-Aid overnight, says Anthony Yun, MD, Chief Surgeon at Yun Plastic Surgery in Troy, Michigan, and author of The Age Fix. A leading plastic surgeon reveals how to really look 10 years younger. This will help decrease inflammation to make it look much less red and swollen in the morning. If it's blackheads that are plaguing you, try applying Elmer's glue to the area and letting it dry. Then peel it off, taking many of the blackheads with it, he says.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.